So today we are going to install the Cgrk Pro Precision Guide Rod Competition Guide Rod Kit on a Cgrk 17 Gen 4. First, we do a safety check. Magazine is removed. Check to see the slide is empty. Push down on this lever, remove the slide. Remove the recoil spring assembly. Insert the slide adapter ring for Gen 4. Make sure that the narrow circle is at the back. This will take a bit of force, so align them and push them forward. This is difficult to do with new springs, but once you get used to it, it will be easy. Return the slide.